Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. This one is so easy, anyone can do it. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this elongated ponytail in literally like 3 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. For this hairstyle, you guys don't need any hair tools. Right now I'm just pulling out some face framing pieces. So some from the side, some from the front, just anything random to kind of give it that messy effect. Taking my 2 fingers and from ear to ear, I'm going to start splitting down the sides of my hair into 2 parts. For the top part of my hair, I'm just going to clip that off to the side really quick and we'll deal with her later. But for now, we're going to take a thin elastic and I'm going to tie off the bottom part of my hair into just a regular ponytail. You do kind of want to make sure it's at mid-length and not super low towards your neck, just so the elongated ponytail can blend in seamlessly and you can't tell that it's 2 different ponytails. For the top part, I took a scrunchie. I just feel like it gave the ponytail a looser effect as opposed to one of the other hair ties that I normally use. So you can use whatever works for you, but just tying that off into a regular ponytail, and then I tugged at the top because I wanted this to be like a messy style but still look kind of put together. I hope that this easy hairstyle tutorial helped you guys at home. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.